Hi, I'm Joey Nicolaides, Admissions and Garden Store Manager at the Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens. I'm here today to talk to you about the admission process we'll have in place when we reopen. Social distancing measures will be in place in parking areas and also pathways leading to the entrance. We ask that you please observe the stop sign and wait for an attendant to usher you into the plaza. If you're a member, please have your card ready. Once you're in the plaza, there'll be signs directing you to the nursery, the trails, and the exit.
Hi, I'm Sophia, the Nursery Manager here at the Botanical Gardens. We're excited to welcome you back to the Retail Nursery and Gardens, and I'd like to tell you a few things that we've done to make the area safer. You'll see that we've created entrances and exits. There's the main entrance, and then we have a second entrance as you return from the garden. The exit goes to the center of the plaza. If you have a larger purchase, we ask that you bring your wagon here to have your plants scanned. This will help prevent congestion on the plaza. You bring your wagon here and then set your plants on this counter with the barcode facing in, and we'll be able to scan them without touching the plants. After you set the plants here, please step back to the stepping stone so the attendant can scan your plants. When they're finished, you would put the plants back in the wagon and head to the exit on your left. If you just have a basket of plants, you can proceed right to the store window to pay. While we're excited to have you back, we won't be able to offer the same type of customer service that we have in the past, such as plant ID or design. I'm sorry for this inconvenience, but we have to put our safety and yours at the top of everything. We've got a great selection of rhododendrons, heaths and heathers, and yes, we have vegetable sparks. So we hope to see you soon, and thank you for your patience as we implement these changes for everybody's safety. We will be here wearing our masks, and we appreciate that you do the same. You won't be able to see it, but I will be smiling at you. Thank you.
We miss you. Check our website, and we'll see you soon.